Update DateTime field in Mongoengine with auto_now_add. I'm trying to make a fork of Mongoengine that will allow auto-updating of a DateTime field based on passing through to an auto_now or auto_now_add, a la Django. So far I've added the attributes to the _init_ method of DateTime field like so. Unfortunately, I cannot figure out how to populate this value cleanly when a document is created/saved. The only solution I see so far is to add field-specific behavior in base documents, save or validate methods. But I don't like it. Does anyone know of a better method? By the way, I though of having a go at this after reading this question and at Equinoxal's comment about extending Mongo and being used to this attribute in Django.
You could add a pre-save signal and update the document date before saving. The main issues with this is they won't be updated if you call update or if you do bulk updates, e.g. midocs.objects.update set_name equals x. Added ticket, this URL.